know why it took me so long. You left to Arizona, I stayed in California.
Hey, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Mikey, and yes, I'm here again with a back-to-back video. I said I was going to be making a pickups video, and well, here we are. And as you can see right here in the background, it's quite a bit of stuff. You guys thought I was tripping or lying that I didn't get that many stuff, but when I guys told you about my other video, how it was going to be like the biggest pickup that I ever had, there was no cap. All this stuff is probably equivalent to maybe, I'd say like $700, $800, but that is not what the point is. Today I'm just going to be like unboxing all these things. Some of them are already unboxed and I have already worn, just haven't showed it in the video. So yeah, this whole stack right here, whole stack right here is what I picked up. It's quite hefty. It's quite hefty. There's a lot to go through, and I'm gonna go through it with y'all. Before we get into this unboxing slash pickups video, make sure you guys bump the like for the comeback kid. As always, coming up with these videos, school's about to start. Something just dropped over here. I don't know what it was, but oh, it's just a sweater. Yeah, bump a like for the comeback kid. We're making more videos and everything. Make sure you guys also subscribe to my channel as well if you want more content like this, or also ring the bell to get notified whenever I do come out with something. I honestly don't even know what to go through first, so I think what I'm going to do is go through the tees first, because I've got a lot of tees. Alright, so one of the first things I picked up, this was from like maybe last month. I picked up like a lot of FTP shirts. So this was the 10th year anniversary logo shirt, and they came out with this really dope design. It's embroidered right here. It says 10 fucking years, and then it has FTP. I'll show you guys a picture of what the back graphic was like and also the front, because I don't want to unpackage these just yet, because I am going to be selling these. Not yet, not like soon, but probably within 2020 I will be selling these. That's the white FTP shirt, and I also got a black. This is a size large and this is a size small, so I got the small black. It says again 10 fucking years FTP. Also the back graphic has the same FTP logo, it's just bigger. With those two pickups, honestly, I had no any knowledge of FTP. It was kind of like an impulse buy. I was just on a good group and literally everybody was just talking about it, and it came out on New Year's Day, and I managed to cop 2 tees, so it was easy. So it was easy claps, nothing much. A lot of people cop more. I just copped 2 just to be safe, just to be like, you know, I don't really know much about it, let me just cop 2 just in case. But these will be for resale. I don't plan on really keeping these, mainly because, like I said, I don't really know much about FTP. They look dope, no cap, they look dope, but probably just not for me. All right, so the next things that we got was from Supreme. It was the winter tees. I have already unpackaged some of these. So the first winter tee that we have is the bike tee from the, I think it's like the last week or maybe the second to last week of fall and winter. So this was actually my favorite tee from that week. However, like I would say it's the bandana box logo, but you guys already know how that went. So I went for this initially, and this was a good cop in my opinion. I think it's super funny. The graphics super funny looking. It's simple, so that's why I really copped it. It was funny, simple, and something that I could wear with anything because it's gray. And also I don't really have a lot of gray tees, so I was like, okay, let me get something gray. That was the Supreme bike tee. It is my size, medium. All right, so the next tee that I have is the Supreme bridge tee. So I actually ended up getting this. I paid resale for it, but I paid like maybe less than $10 resale, so it was actually a really good cop. See the bridge in front, it says Supreme, Smith Supreme on the back. If you guys don't know who Saint Smith is, I mean, really iconic label right here. Saint Smith on the bridge right here. Super dope graphic. I don't know the whole concept behind Saint Smith. I just know like a few little things about it, but the concept's really dope on this tee when someone's explaining it to me. And that's why I was like, yo, I gotta get this tee. It's super sick. It's very simple, just a bridge tee. And yeah, it was just super cool. I thought it was a really good pickup, nothing crazy. I have a lot of black tees and I keep telling myself I was gonna buy different colors, but I never do. Gray and black Supreme tees. I already worn both of them. Super sick. Also, I actually ended up getting another bridge tee because I like the graphics so much. And I feel like reselling is gonna be okay on it. It's gonna be okay. I'd say probably like maybe in the 80s. Nothing really higher, but I got another one right here, DS. I got this for resale as well. I will be selling this on either Grailed or Bump or whatever the case might be, but I'm going to be selling it later in 2020. Like I said, because I am working on a project right now, and it will have like all the items that I'm selling on a specific platform. So you guys get ready for that. It's coming in 2020. I don't know really exactly, but predictions I'd say would most likely be around spring, summer 2020. All right, so the next few things that we have, I got from the vintage pop about yesterday. So if you guys didn't know, World's Worst Bodega really came out with another vintage fair. I think it's their third one, and they are doing another one next month. Super stoked on going there. I was like a kid at a candy store, bro. There was so much heat at that particular area, bro. Like, it was insane. There were so many people that went, so many people that were like nice to each other. It was a great community. Something like that happening in SAC is just really, really dope. They should do a lot more. I also filmed it as well, so that will be the next video that I'll be putting out. Basically the rundown of how everything works and what to expect there and so on and so forth. So you guys get ready for that video. It's gonna be super sick. I loved going there. It was a really great experience. Shout outs to everybody that was running their venues, running the whole setup and everything. It was actually really dope, and I do plan on going to the next one as well. But that's enough of me rambling about it. I actually ended up picking up this cool vintage tee because I don't have enough vintage tees anymore because I barely go thrifting because I've just been super busy. We have a nice Sturgis Tee right here, as you can see. Has, what is it, Free Spirit Black Hills Rally in 1999. Super sick graphic. I thought, when I initially saw this, I was like, I like the colors on it and it looks super vibrant. Here's the back graphic right here. Super sick. Also reminds me of like Harley Davidson kind of thing going on because of the motorcycle and everything, but it was super sick. However, this is not my size. This is like a XL, I think. So I tried putting it on, seeing if I could work with it, but probably not. So this will be up for sale somewhere. I don't know yet, but eventually, like, I do want to wear it because it does look super sick, but it looks super big on me. So not gonna be for me, unfortunately, but if anybody wants it, super sick, I'll give you a price. Super dope tee. Another tee that I picked up was this one. It's just a regular, you know, Bob Marley tee. I think it's a tour shirt. Movement of Ja People. Yeah. 1977. So I got this for a good steal. It was only like $1. You see the back graphic right here, the tour dates and everything. So it's a tour shirt, Bob Marley tour shirt. Super sick. And the fact that it's from 1977 is just amazing. And the condition in this is not that bad either. Like, it's white, but it's also like a creamish white. So it has that, you know, natural yellowing and everything. So I was like, yo, I have to cop this shirt. And I love white tees, so this is definitely going to be one of my personals. It's a size medium, so hopefully it does fit me correctly. Another tee that I got is a size medium as well, and it's a Harley Davidson tee, and it's got some real like nice bleach stains on it and everything. The seller that gave me this tee was like, yo, I actually do these handmade, so all the splatters, everything is handmade. And he has so much other works of art on his tees on his Instagram, and it's just super sick. Like, they're all handmade, like all different types of washes and everything, the details of the gradients of the splatters. Like, he knows his stuff. Like, it's super sick. So it will be in the vintage pop-up video. I will link everybody's like IG and everything. Check them out. Super sick. Like, I immediately caught, because I don't really have anything like bleached, so I copped this and I was like, yo, this could be like my newest chill shirt. It's a size medium, however, I do feel like it's kind of small, so I'll see what I can do with it, but this is just a super sick shirt. Next that we have is another vintage piece. It's the last vintage piece I have, and also it's like partially my favorite one because I am a Chargers fan. So you see right here, it's the Chargers in the Super Bowl with the Niners a long time ago in January 1995. This is a little too big on me, but I don't really plan on selling this. I think it's just going to be for the personal, in my opinion, because it's just something that it's just sick. It's super dope. I don't know if the Chargers are ever going to make it to the Super Bowl again, to be completely honest, but when I found this, I was like, this is an immediate cop. And the homie was all like, yeah, I see you like looking back and forth from it. And I'm like, dude, me being a Chargers fan, like, bro, I'm gonna cop it regardless. This is when they went to the Super Bowl and they lost to the Niners, unfortunately, but it's still a dope sweatshirt in my opinion, just because of all the things that they've, you know, been through, especially during the recent when it comes to like injuries and everything. Me having a piece of them going to the Super Bowl is just super sick to me. There are some kind of wear and tears a little bit, like the sleeve I guess has this little wear and tear right here, but it's nothing really crazy, nothing like really bad or anything. See, it just has like a little tear little hole, but honestly, it's not that bad to me. You can oversize it, make it look good. So I'm not really too worried about this. So this is definitely going to be for keeps, especially when they were in San Diego, because the Chargers moved to LA now. They share the stadium with the LA Rams, and it killed the vibe in my opinion. So I mean, it is what it is, but having a piece from San Diego and them being in the Super Bowl, hey, super sick. All right, so that's all like the tees and sweatshirts that I've gotten. Yeah, it's quite a bit. But we are not done. We still have shoes to go through, so let me go into that right now and pick this up right here for you guys. And yes, it is a Jordan 1 box. I have already put a review on this video, or not redo it, but I'm gonna show you guys again. So this is the Jordan 1 Royal. I done a review on this, like I said already. I wore this to the pop-up yesterday, and it was just mandatory. I had to put it on. I love Jordan 1s, especially if it's one of the trifectas, which is the Bread Shadow Royals. I got 2 of the trifectas right now. I'm just left with the Bread, so Reds will be copped pretty soon. I don't know when, but hopefully soon. They're very expensive right now, so I'm trying to see, you know, if I can get a cool steal on them. And we have another box. This is the last box. I'm gonna open it up for you guys. This one just came in today, so I was like, perfect, I can record from here. I don't know what side I should open it up from. So yeah, this is another box that I've gotten from Nike themselves. So if you guys know what this box is, then you know. This was only for exclusive members only, which is why I got it a little bit early. I think they do drop. They keep changing the date. I heard it's like dropping on the 22nd, and then I'm hearing it's dropping on February 1st. So I'm not really too sure on when they drop. Honestly, I don't think they should re-release it ever, because like it was an exclusive offer. So like make this shoe kind of exclusive to those people in a kind of sense, but they gonna do their thing. So you know how Nike rocks. These are the Black Cat 4s. The last time these released, I think, was about 14 years ago. It was in 2006. They have not re-released them ever since then, and a lot of people were saying, yo, when are we gonna re-release the Black Cats? Never ever like mentioned anything about re-releasing it till now, and I'm glad that they have re-released these, because these are sick. I am going to be doing a review on these as well, but not right now, but just letting you guys see it a little bit. Yeah, unfortunately it does not have the Nike Air on the back, but it does have the Jumpman. I still think it's a clean shoe, and I'm not gonna cap, this is pretty dope. The materials that they used on it, not gonna lie, it's not that bad. It's pretty A1. Has a shiny little satin black midsole right here. Like, you guys have no idea how many people were anticipating these for so long. They have not released, like I said, till 2006. So we're finally getting another re-release of these. I don't know when they're re-releasing exactly, but just know it's either gonna be the 22nd or it's gonna be February 1st. Super happy I got them early, because you know, sneakers be playing games with me sometimes, with them like giving me multiple L's for no reason, and I'm just like, yo, can a boy cop something like for real? I couldn't cop Sakai's, I couldn't cop any Off-Whites, none of that. All I just copped was like Jordan. This was an exclusive offer, so to get them early, so I'm super happy that they did that. It feels good to have a pair early, so, and not a lot of people I heard actually had like exclusive offers, so having this in my hand right now before the release date, sick. But anyway, that is the video. That is all the pickups that I have gotten. It's so much stuff, I know, guys. I told you guys it was gonna be a lot of stuff. Y'all thought I was capping. No, this is the full-on truth. I copped a lot of stuff, so I plan on doing more of these videos because I just love copying stuff. I copped a lot of these. Many of these may be personal, like I said. Mostly the Supreme tees are personal. Some of the vintage stuff are personal, but some of them will also be added to the inventory that I will sell for later. Initially, I did want to resell the Black Cat 4s to see how they're doing, but they're not doing super hot right now on StockX, so I'm probably just gonna end up like hanging on to these, to be honest. I also do want to keep those because it's not often that you get an all black Jordan, so it's pretty rare. So I wouldn't sleep on these guys, because if you guys do remember the Pure Money 4s, they were like sitting at like Foot Locker, all the foot sites, for a minute, and everyone was like, yo, those are a brick, blah 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 blah. But if you look at StockX right now, the very recent release of the Pure Whites, they are going for a lot more than they were before. So don't sleep, because they will resell eventually, especially these babies. They're gonna resell, just not right now, but in the meantime, and later, maybe about, give it like 3 years, these will be worth something. But yeah, that's everything that I copped, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I know it's been like a long minute since I came out with, you know, a pickups video, but you know, your boy was shopping for the holidays and all the other jazz. So lots of stuff are coming my way. And also I will be heading towards Coachella this year, so a lot of money's getting towards that as well. 2020 is going to be a movie. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Deuces.
Yeah. Yeah.